Yo, 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 yo. This is 29 of. So, can you hear me, guys? Let me see if you can hear me. Yeah, you can hear me. Okay, perfect. Welcome to another backtesting session, which we finished yesterday on this. Oh, but we made 10,000 account. Yeah, okay. I wanted to get used to 50,000, but yeah, anyway. Let's go get the sessions out of here. The name of the software is Softboard FX. Softboard FX. This one that I use is very nice. So yeah, now we have everything. We have our charts, monthly, weekly, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. We have trades and we need to fix also risk in dollar. Okay, we'll leave it 100 per trade. Is 1% already. And what else? We have to put it here on 15 minutes. We have to make the tickers like this. Oh, this is, if we delete in one time frame, we should be able to delete in all time frames. Because we're gonna do a fresh analysis. Yeah, daily. Let's see if that will work. No. I need to delete all time frames again from the beginning. Sorry for this, but you can obviously, you have an option to just continue, like speed the stream. So I don't feel sorry for you, I'll be honest. 2 more time frames and we are done. We don't have an option clear the charts. So let's move on the monthly time frame. Monthly is like in the middle of the month, is in between here, now breaking these highs, tapping this resistance, and now pulled back. So not really anything that we can get out from a monthly time frame. Weekly, however, closed bearish, making all this week, and then came in with weak bearish body, but still didn't close bullish, didn't have too much momentum to the upside. The daily, however, came to this liquidity zone, which we can mark from here, I believe, till here, till this level right over here. We tapped, closed bullish, and now we just flipped and tapped this resistance again, and we closed like this. So we can actually see this is, close this daily candle on Sunday. Yeah, Sunday is like this. Sunday is a bit bullish. Then let's see the 4 hour. The 4 hour is where the magic needs to happen. So we can clone this and update. So this is where the 4 hour is happening. Okay, and then we have a resistance. Let me see if this makes sense or this makes sense. I'm gonna keep it like this because of this rejection and clean of this. And then we have a power resistance right over here, and the next resistance on the 4 hour is right here. We have this clean, nice clean traffic. So if we close above, we can continue to the upside. If we close below here, we have these two clean traffics. Actually on GJs you have all the way clean traffic to the bottom here, but this is an area of interest where price can bounce because it bounced before also. So let's go ahead and move the chart on London. We can see here the session, so we need like 3 more candles to close. Oh, 7, 8. Okay. This is 8 o'clock. This is actually London, so it's not very nice that we made this, but I was thinking that we are in 1 hour time frame, unfortunately. So let's go to 1 hour time frame, and let me just put this one here. These are fake accounts, so anyway, I don't use IC market at all, so yeah, I'm not sure if what you can do with this information, but so we are still in this range of the 4 hour, but if we go to 1 hour time frame, we have this scenario where you have clean traffic till the upside and then clean traffic to a downside. Not really clean traffic to a downside, but yeah. You have this. Let me just clone this level. Then we have this tapping of the support. So with the volume, I believe we can have a sell here, but we need to be cautious because you have all this was news, by the way. We can just ignore this, but we have level till here. We can have this very nice sells. So maybe we go on the 15-minute and then we see how the 1 hour on the 15-minute. Yeah, on the 15-minute now, if we come and flip or close below here somewhere, we have a nice chance of moving down, even though this is a very tricky area because overall we're looking bullish. And 4 hour is all, and 4 hour is bearish actually. 4 hour is previous support, now turned into resistance, failed to close to the upside. Now we're just making a wick. As soon as we flip, we should be able to continue to a downside. So we should wait on that flip, I think. On 1 hour and 30-minute. Let's see how big are the stop losses. Here is like 40 pips. Here is like current candle is 40 pips. This is insane, but let's try it. Because also to the downside you have till this is 40 pips where we can take stops at break even, and then overall is like 120 pips, so it's nice. It's worth the risk. Now this is perfect because we formed a support candle. So if we break the support, it's amazing. If we don't break the support, we have a high chance we're continuing to a downside. But if we break the support, we can easily continue to a downside. And as of now, we're still on the range. So we can maybe just continue a bit. Make it a bit faster. The 15-minute, 30-minute close, very strong bullish. 1 hour also got us a closure. 1 hour we got a bullish closure. We are still in top of the range. However, 4 hour didn't break the highs. So for it to move to the upside, because overall trend is now bullish because we broke these lower highs that we had. We broke with this momentum. I don't like this small retracement, but anyway, if we close above this on the 4 hour, next 4 hour can just fly up. So it's nice to be prepared on both directions. But we are still, sells below here are still valid because we're not breaking these small lower highs on 30-minute, 1 hour time frame that we're forming. So yeah, See now, we have this 1 hour. First 30-minute closure bullish, 15 minute still haven't seen anything. Now we're seeing this bearish closure on 15 minute. I was thinking of one idea, but this is very tricky. Weekly is still around. This is a previous week high, so if we break this, we will potentially just fly up. It's like, why price is not moving? Made a pause here, okay. I had an idea of if we flip here, we will have very small stop losses, but this is super risky. We have a 20 pips stop loss with a potential 40 pips just to top of bottom of the range, and then we can hold clean sells. Oh, I'm not sure because we're basically, yeah, maybe I'm gonna wait for this 1 hour to close. It's better. I think we can get that. It's a nice trade, but it's better to wait for this closure for the 10 minute because we can close next 1 hour can form a wick if it decides to continue to the downside. So yeah, we're gonna wait, but I see this trade happening. Let me show you on our trading plan. Price rejects the high like this. Price made the high, rejects, close below, bearish, sells below. Price makes a high here, rejects, close bearish, breaks the low. As soon as we break the low, we should be able to continue to a downside. But let's see also in 1 hour, how does this 1 hour and 30-minute closure? 30 minutes closes like this. Let me see, 4 hours still under the previous 4 hour high. 30-minute, 1 hour closes like our candle, but very weak. 30-minute last 30-minute is bearish, invalidating our candle setup, but I don't like this no wick breaking the lows. But technically this is perfect. 17 pip. I'm gonna go with half risk here. I'm gonna put 20 pip and I'm gonna put a sell right over here. Even though I'm entering the trade on the candle open, which is always a bad idea for me here, but yeah, I'm gonna add a take profit right over here. I'm gonna let this run. But the chances are from that wick to form are very high, and then if we break the highs here, we can for sure just smash through and continue to the upside. So we're still in that, but yeah, let's see and wait. If this 15-minute candle close bearish, now we have our 1 hour wick. 15-minute candle closes bearish, 30-minute is continuing to the downside. For some reason, I see this trade playing out quite nicely. But let's see. I would have liked this 15-minute to close below these lows here. But yeah. Now we're getting that continuation. This is very nice. Let's see if we can manage to close the 30-minute. Oh no, 30-minute is gonna close bullish, I guess. So yeah. If 30-minute candle closes bullish, then this is no good. Yeah, 30-minute is weak bearish, okay. 30-minute is our candle, 1 hour still has time to continue. I don't like this 15-minute closure because it's basically finding support here, so yeah. Anyway, maybe I'm just gonna close 50% of my position here because we're breaking the highs and I'd rather take half loss than full loss. But yeah, it was worth it. And yeah, Not very good trade. The idea is price rejects the high. Price rejects the high. Half risk. Trend is bullish overall. If we say that this is bullish trend on 1 hour, yeah, this is bullish trend. We're not breaking these lows. The 4 hour is bullish, so yeah. Break the low, 15 minute, 8:30 I think it was. No, 9:30. Loss 0.4%. It was so 1 hour closed bullish. This after this 1 hour closed bullish, it was very stupid to enter sales, but anyway, I'm happy with how overall it went. And yeah, now 1 hour is like this, 1 hour is like 1 hour at support. So buys, I need price to continue above, like break these highs just like this. So break the highs here. What was this? 26 pips. Yeah, this was better. For example, this is better setup for risking. But I was anticipating something like this here. You see, we came back in gold, then we just continued to a downside. Same here, came up in gold, then continued to a downside. Same here, came up in gold, continued to a downside. That's what. But then the problem was that I was playing on smaller time frame, on 30 minutes. Then we had this major. Like if we go here and we tap this level, we can see that this was a kind of interesting level. But anyway, 4 hour, we're breaking the highs now. We're about to close. So we closed bullish above this range, above this previous resistance. We break these highs, so chances now are very high to continue to the upside. And also daily to just flip and continue. The weekly is also high chances are just to flip and break these highs, and then we just smash through. And yeah, we have this clean traffic, so we need to be cautious of this resistance right over here. Let's check on the 1 hour. Yeah, on the 1 hour, that resistance is very tricky, so we need potentially to wait for that to break. But that is how many pips is from here? That is 30 pips. So on smaller time frame, yeah, smaller time frame on nothing. If we break these highs here, maybe we can enter a buy till top of the here 40 pips for 20 pips. Let me see. 30 minutes is giving me a nice buy signal. 1 hour has no wick. I need this wick. If we get a wick on the 1 hour, then it would make so much sense. But yeah. we're same as in 15-minute here, same as in previous 1 hour here that we bounced here. Now we just form that wick, and now we can just flip and continue. So on this flip, maybe if I get this candle bullish, I'm gonna enter here a buy, very risky buy, 13 pips stop loss, 16 pip. 16 pip half risk. I'm anticipating this trade just a continuation. If we come up and break our current candle lows, then we should be able to then potentially put here a 40 pip buy. And yeah, we can now just wait and see if this is gonna fold out or not. We make a wick. If we flip, we are in good hands. If we don't flip, if we come and break these lows, this is invalid setup. And yeah, let's see. 15 minutes is very nice, and now we should be able to just continue. Our stops are in a good position because if we break these lows, chances are for bigger retracement. But if we don't break those lows, then we are good to go. But I think those lows are being tapped now, breaken. So 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour, maybe flip now, and then we can see what this is gonna happen. Yeah, let's see how 1 hour closed. 1 hour closed like that. Yeah, nothing. It's invalidating a bit. So we're dropping more now. So we're respecting this resistance, but I thought we closed above here. Yeah, we closed. We were so good to go to this, but then price just decided to fail and close back down lower. It's fine. Price. Bit drop is very nice. Let's see. This is in no man's land, back in the range. I'm not gonna trade anything in this inside this range. And yeah, this is just nothing basically for us today. Let's see how the 4-hour candle closed bearish. The daily is like this. 1 hour is just ranging at resistance. 30-minute is just nothing, back inside the range. Just messing around. 4-hour. We can continue, but maybe let me check. Price was at resistance. But price makes a high, maybe that was. This is the problem where we enter sometimes some setups that you don't really you create outside of yourself. Price was here, was price at resistance. We closed above resistance, yeah, but never break the high. So that's why it's like stupid to enter where we enter here. We enter right over here. We should have waited for these highs to be broken because this is the confirmation candle. So inside this candle, okay, this is amazing because we get to see price at resistance, half risk, bull buy, candle flip. Was basically on 30-minute, I think. Was it on 30-minute? Yeah, 30-minute. Stop loss was current candle. Time was 1:32. This is a loss 0.5% minus. price was bullish on 4 hour and 1 hour, so it made sense to continue since on 30-minute close the week bullish above resistance. However, the problem was the entry I should have entered on the highs of 30-minute and 1 hour candle, which was 5, and price just started 30-minute close and 30-minute close and go inside the range again. I feel good, but frustrated because didn't follow my plan. Okay, now we continue to the next day, I guess. So, daily closed like that. Next daily just already broke the highs. 4 hour closed bullish, breaking these highs before London. 1 hour is right at resistance, so we for sure we need more candles here because we're not gonna take any trade with this 1 hour. And then 1 hour is rejecting, so we can see how the 30-minute is back tapping that support. 4 hour is back inside, so I'm looking for sells. I'm gonna look only below here, maybe, and for buys above here, but better sells would be here. Better sells would be here. I don't want anything on this range. We're breaking these low. Stop loss would be 50 pips for what? For 25 pips, and then hitting my stop loss at break even. I don't want those type of trades at all. So this trade is gonna be, the setup is gonna be only based on 30-minute, but now 30-minute is looking very nice for buys. Why? Because if we come and tap, we tap this previous support, and if we come and break and close above this resistance, that means that the whole trend is gonna continue to the upside because we have daily bullish, we have weekly almost breaking the previous week highs, we have 4 hour flipping finally. So buys, as I said before, it's gonna look amazing. 46, but yeah, that's a bit sad, but let's see how this 1 hour gets to close. If we close above this 1 hour, then it's perfect. So 1 hour closed above, 30-minute closed above that resistance, 15-minute is just right above. So next 1 hour, this is the last 4 hour. So this can be just a sick push, I guess. Let me see here. Let me adjust my trade. Is 50 pip. 50 pip. I'm gonna be also half risk because this is impulsive at resistance. And I'm gonna run for 150. As soon as we break the highs, I'm gonna enter a buy. I'm not gonna enter on the first 5 minute. So yeah, we're breaking the highs. Cool. Should be good to continue now. Ooh, nice. We're continuing. Very nice. Great success. So we're having 11 pip, 40 pip. Basically, this was on the 4 hour, but on the 4 hour, we missed quite a lot of pips already. We missed like 10 pips. But still, it's okay. So 15-minute, 30-minute is looking nice. 1 hour is looking very nice. I didn't like this rejection on 15 minute, but yeah, it is what it is. Our stop loss is very nice because it's inside the range, breaking this support. So I believe if we close above here, we should be able to just continue, keep going. And yeah, let's see. We are at 20 pips in profit. Maybe we can move stops at break even. Let's see. But we have very nice volume. We are in London session, so everything indicates up. Maybe I'm gonna hold this trade, but I'm gonna move the current 1 hour lows, I believe. Because if we break that, then it's gonna be a sad day for everybody. And then I'm gonna risk 0.1%. I can hold with this. Let's see. This 1 hour should be respected now. We should not break and come inside the range. Let's see. 1 hour closed very strong. This is very nice. If we break the highs, maybe I'm gonna enter another buy. The 4 hour closed like this. So next 4 hours should technically just move. In the break of the highs, I'm gonna enter another position because I'm risking only half position here, so got tricked a bit because it didn't clearly break the highs, but anyways. Now we broke the highs, so now we enter two positions because these are two different trades. And yeah. Check. Now we're pushing up very nice. I should move stops at break even to my first position. And I should modify my stops on the second position. Move at the current candles. Because I don't want to lose too much. And yeah. Let's see how the 30 minute and 1 hour 30 minute has no wick, so this is the 30 minute open. Maybe I should close one position. The 1 hour looks very nice. The 30 minute open is so insane. The 15 minute is also crazy. I'm gonna close one position here. I'm gonna modify my stops on this one. Because these are two big stop losses. And yeah. We're running 58 pips on one position. This is amazing. So basically, if we come to profit, I'm gonna close. So we're coming into profit, so maybe I should close another position. I'm gonna close this position here. And yeah, maybe, wait, should I leave it run or not? Daily has a lot of room to go. We can tap that level. I believe weekly broke the highs 1 hour. This position has a very nice stop loss, so I'm gonna let this run. Yes, look at this. This is pushing out very nice. This 1 hour is closing perfectly. So next 1 hour should just make a wick, not break the 1 hour lows, and then just continue also. With a 30-minute breaking the lows, this is not so nice. 15 minutes showing signs of rejection. I don't like it that much. We're flipping, we found that wick, we're flipping, so now let's see if we can continue, but I'm gonna close 20% here. Let's see. We close another 20%. 30-minute body is very weak, so 15-minute is breaking down now the lows, so I'm gonna close another 50% here because I don't like how this is forming, and I'm gonna modify my stop loss right over here. The current candle 4 hour, so I can move it. The 1 hour is closing bearish, 30-minute is closing bearish, so yeah, this doesn't look nice at all. If we break the lows here, I'm gonna close everything because I don't like how this is forming. It's basically forming for a retracement, so yeah, I'm not gonna lose profits here. I want to be 0-0, so I want to recover plus 1%. Price at resistance, 1 hour time frame. Half risk. Bull buy, break the highs. 1 hour time frame, 1 hour. First 9:31. So now in 1 hour we're breaking the highs. This is amazing because now we can get that continuation that we expected overall. So let's see. Ooh, nice. So the 4 hour close with no wick at the top, but basically gave us that whole this 4 hour. If we remember, we entered here, so basically 130 pips, almost 140, so 150 was our overall TP target. But yeah, we closed early. We close like here in the middle because, yeah, anyway, execution is, we need to work on execution more and more, but still we got profit. We made profits. That's the best part about this. So it's Tuesday, it's London. The 4 hour is now nothing. So let's see if we get like this 1 hour candle. 1 hour candle is our candle. Last 30 minutes is bullish, so we should just continue technically, but we are already oversold. I believe we have no wick at the bottom. So if we come formal, we can then come and break the highs. Then I can take a sell, maybe a buy, maybe because we're above this, but I need a wick here. Yeah, clearly need a wick, but I'm not sure we're gonna get that wick. Also, if we close like this on 15 minutes, I will enter a buy. So 30 minutes now is like this, 15 minutes we're so weak bullish, it's insane. 1 hour is like this, 4 hours is just keeping to go to the upside. Let's see this 15 minute. Oh, this 15 minute closed very nice. 30 minute close above. 1 hour broke the highs now, so how big is this? This 40 pip with 43 pip. Should I take a buy here? It's 50 pip. I'm gonna risk this. It's basically our candle formation. Let me see, hopefully we get this nice wick. And then if we come and break the highs clearly, then I'm gonna enter a buy. Let's see. We have a nice wick. So if we break the highs now, we can enter this buy. We're breaking the highs. And this buy should probably work now. We are in London with New York session. We can potentially have this volume to continue, but 1 hour has no wick at the bottom, so this is what scares me a bit. And 30 minutes now is coming back down, so yeah. Our stop losses are nice, but if we come and break these lows here, potentially I'm gonna close everything. Let's see if this 15 minute, if this is 15-minute candle also closes bearish, I don't see no point holding this trade. Yeah, this 15-minute close like indecision. Maybe I'm gonna close half of my position here, so I don't take full loss. And then I'm gonna close everything if we break the lows, I believe. 30 minutes is our candle, 15 minute moving up nicely, so this should be very nice trade. 1 hour closed bullish. So if we come on and break the highs, now is the best position to enter some buys here. If we break these highs here, we have a 30 pip stop loss. And 30 minute looks nice. 15 minute is also very nice. We come up and break the highs, so we need to wait and see. If we come up and break the lows, I'm gonna close everything on this position. And then if we come then break the highs, I'm gonna give this trade a second chance, but I don't want to be in drawdown and hit full loss. I can prevent, yeah, I can prevent my losses right over here. So basically I lost 0.1%, even though I wanted overall to lose 0. I risked 0.4%. The 4 hour has no wick, so yeah, I set resistance, half risk, bull buy. Was it candle flip or break the highs? No, it was our candle. Our candle, half risk, bull buy, break the highs, I think. Yeah, on the break of highs. On our time frame. So this is nothing anymore. We are just moving now to the upside, but this is too late. Yeah, of course we can move more, but I'm not gonna enter. I'm not gonna enter at the end of the day. Let's see the daily candle closure. We closed very strong bullish, like we anticipated, and we ride this till here, but overall our targets were perfect. We had this clean traffic, we mirrored this clean traffic, the analysis was very good. I expect now this to retrace a bit to form the daily wick at least, and then let's see the weekly. Our weekly is like this. So if we start to break down, we can take a sell right over here with 30 pip, 0.5% risk, very risky sells right at support. Amazing. See if this is gonna play out or not. I'm gonna move stops at break even as soon as we hit here. But yeah, chances are not so high that we can hit that break even. We had before where our 15-minute closed bullish. We had this indication before where we should have closed everything after our 15-minute closes bullish. We don't need to hit our full stop loss. And if we can't break below, then it's fine. We can look for sells again. But yeah, that was the lesson that we took from before. So, but now we're moving up very nice. The 1 hour has our candle formation. Last 30 minutes is also our candle formation. Now we can take a very nice sell. And if we retrace a bit more, I'm gonna take another sell. Let's see if we form that wick. We take another sell here. And yeah, now we're moving up very nice. Let's see if we can continue to this trade to move for at least 30 pip. So we are at 515. Yeah, we should just continue. We have our candle, we close below this support. This has no wick at the top. This is what makes me worry a bit. 4 hour is very strong bearish. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this trade run based on the 4 hour time frame. And yeah, let's see. Yeah, we're getting that push finally. Very nice push, perfect push. I'm gonna close one position as soon as we hit $50. 30-minute is moving up very nicely. I can hit break even on the big position. Both position actually I want to hit break even because after being all this machine profit, so I'm about to close this right over here. I closed one position here, and then I can keep this position. I can ride a bit more maybe until I get also here potentially. On our close, very nice. So we should flip now. Our stop losses are in good position, but we're finding that support unfortunately. So maybe I'm gonna close. Maybe I should close full my position if we start to break the highs. Yeah, we're breaking the highs, so I'm gonna close full position here. And yeah, 30-minute also closed bullish. So we have chances of price finding support over here. Right at this level, where was previous resistance turn into support. Now we can again turn into support, get a big retracement, and then roll down, or just like, but 4 hours in a big fall. 1 hour is also. Yeah, let's see. Maybe I can re-enter if we break the lows. If we come again and break these lows, I can re-enter with 20 pip stop loss. Oh, I missed it. Okay. If we break the lows, I'm gonna enter another position to, yeah, I entered two positions to make my full risk, 101% risk. And now I believe we should be able to continue because we formed support, we closed below support, we're anticipating this 4 hour to be a bit bigger. Mirror the previous 4 hour, the 1 hour is also very nicely set up for a big fall. 30-minute is also playing up nicely, so we will see. Let's see the 15-minute. Yeah, 15 minutes showing a bit of weakness on the volume. We're breaking the highs now, so now we can be, our stop loss are high chances of hitting because we tapped on this bigger support that we have right over here. We haven't tapped it yet, but anyway. I'm gonna close one position here. Or no, should I close? This is Tokyo session. 30-minute closed bullish back inside the range. 1 hour still bearish. 4 hour is about to close now. So this is, yeah, I'm gonna close both of my positions actually. Let me see on this 15-minute. Close also half of this position. No stops or break even until here. Because the 4 hour will close now, next 4 hour has high chances of forming a wick before we drop. And 1 hour is showing a bit of weaknesses. 30-minute already closed bullish, so now we're actually kind of chances are to flip, form that bigger retracement that we wanted in overall, and yeah, then continue. This 1 hour is closing like this, and yeah, so we prevent it on being on loss. We were too impulsive here. Actually, I didn't know it was like this time, so anyway, let me check this GJ. This was our candle half. Bull sell, break the lows. This was on 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, 1 hour. So 1:30 to 2 a.m. when 0.8% price was set up perfectly in the middle of 4 hour fall and closing below support. So my candle just dropped. I feel good. Then we lost on this position. Price at support. Bull sell, break the flare, 30 minute, 230 loss 0.5. 0.5. I closed bullish on support and next 30 minutes. And closed bearish, but it was lost. So this is 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, weekly is like this. Daily is forming a wick. 4 hour is in between. 1 hour now is breaking above this range. And we can potentially come and retest these highs again. This daily can flip 30-minute close like this. So if we close above, we may flip and close above. We can potentially see a very nice juicy trade. 15-minute is like this. Do we take a buy here? London push. Let's wait for this 1 hour candle to close. I anticipate this to move up, but let's wait for the 1 hour candle to close. 15-minute close like this. 30-minute close like this. 30-minute closing back inside. 1 hour close bullish. Oh, what? What? We're continuing to the downside. Nice. 4 hour just continued to smash through. 4 hour close like this. So maybe we form a wick on the 4 hour, but we tap this previous super resistance and now we can bounce from here to here. Not so easy trade. A buy here would make sense with stop loss like this and then very aggressively managing. Tapping that's the resistance. I'm gonna move stop loss at break even very fast. So I don't want to be too much in this trade. Yeah. So we have that. We had that push where I should have closed everything, but this is too fast. We close bullish. 1 hour like this, 30-minute close bullish, 50 minutes should now just continue maybe. And then I'm gonna close 50% here. So at least I don't lose too much. Oof, oof. I'm closing everything here. 30-minute close like this. 1 hour close like this. Basically, this was rejection, rejecting the low. We made the low, came back, formed the resistance. This was the trading plan, like this. Reject the low, break the highs, continuation. GJ price rejects the low, off risk, bear buy, break the highs, 30-minute, 30-minute, 930 went 0.2. Huh? Nice once. I did my back testing. I'm not sure for how long I was on mute. Hopefully not for so much, but yeah. I hope this video will be helpful. Bye bye.